Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to download FL Studio. So just type in FL Studio under Google search, and there's the one right here, FL Studio. It's under www.image-line.com, FL Studio. Let's go ahead and click on download. This one is a pretty good software. Most of the professional, they use this software, rappers, artists. So I have a MacBook Air right now, so I'm going to click on download, Mac OS. So it sees there's a full installer and a trial installer. So you guys could try first, and if you guys like it, just go ahead and purchase it. Although I'm not affiliated with FL Studio, but it is a pretty awesome software that you do lots of music mixing, and I'll be doing a tutorial on how to use this software. So as you can see, it's downloading right now. So we're gonna be coming back and then install this software tutorial. Okay. All right. So I downloaded this DMG files already. It was under my download folder, so I moved it to the desktops. So it's just going to need to double click that and then click on the install flstudio.pkg files, and then proceed with the installation. So click on continue. Since I already installed it already, so I'm just going to show you guys, and if you have a password, you just need to enter the password. So I know all of you guys are going to have an awesome, fun time with this app if you guys know how to use it. When I first installed it, I didn't know how to work with this software. I was kind of blanked out, and that's why I'm trying to make this video, show you guys on how to install it first, and then after that, maybe give you like some kind of tip and tricks on mixing the music. Although I'm still learning, but for beginner, I just try to teach you some of those tips and tricks. So, because if you guys don't know how to operate with this software, all you want to do is just like close it and then play some game or whatever. So, but if you stick your mind to it, you're gonna have a good time with this software. So we're gonna click on close, and then close this, and then you should have this. If you don't have this FL Studio 21, you could go to your magnified glass and search it. Just type in FL, and then your Studio 20 should come out, and then click it. Double click it, and they give you like a free sample of a song, but I'm not gonna play it. So first, when you open this, let me click on new then. Alright, so if you want to open a new one, you gotta go to your file right here and just click on new. Let's go check out this. Here's all your pattern tracks over here. It's called the playlist, and you will right here allow you to enter whatever drums, kicks, snare, whatever that you want from here. Okay, so for example, let's go start from beginning. You go to packs, and packs you want to go to legacy, and then you can click on any of the I click on the vintage, And when you click on those whatever kicks or whatever that you have under here, and give you like a sound, like a sample sound. And they also give you some kind of vocals.
All right. Come on and dance now.
All right. So that would I will show you guys on the next tutorial, and then this is just about installing. And I know there are too many information right now for you guys to tune in right now, but if you do it step by step, you're gonna be a pro at it. All right. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.